If Steam is showing error 429, don't worry, because this is usually a temporary rate limit issue and the fix is often much simpler than it looks. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam error 429 quickly and safely so you can get back into Steam without guessing or trying a bunch of random changes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is close Steam completely. And I mean fully close it, not just minimize it or click the X in the corner and leave it running in the background. Steam error 429 often appears when Steam has detected too many requests in a short period of time, so the best fix is to stop everything and let the system cool down. To do this properly, right-click Steam in your taskbar or system tray and exit it fully. If you still see any Steam processes running, open Task Manager on Windows and end anything related to Steam. This makes sure the app is actually shut down. Now here is the main fix. Wait 10 to 30 minutes. This is the part that solves the problem in most cases. Steam servers may temporarily block requests when they think too many actions are happening too fast, and waiting gives the rate limit time to reset. If you keep trying to log in over and over during this period, you can sometimes make the issue last longer. So while you wait, just leave Steam closed and don't keep refreshing or reopening it again and again. 10 minutes may be enough for some users, but if the error is still there, give it the full 30 minutes to be safe. After the waiting period, the next step is to restart your PC. This helps clear out any temporary network or session issues that might still be affecting Steam. A full restart can also refresh background services and remove stuck processes that didn't close properly. Once your computer turns back on, open Steam again and try signing in or loading the app normally. In many cases, the error will be gone at this point and Steam should work as expected. If you still see error 429 after that, the best thing to do is wait a little longer before trying again. This is still usually a server-side or request limit issue, so forcing it won't help. You can also make sure you are not running any unusual scripts, browser tabs, or third-party tools that may be repeatedly contacting Steam in the background. Another good habit is to avoid repeatedly refreshing the login page or pressing buttons too quickly while Steam is having issues. Take it slow, let the cooldown finish, and then try again once. So to recap, the main fix for Steam error 429 is simple. Close Steam completely, wait 10 to 30 minutes, restart your PC, and then open Steam again. That's the safest and most effective first solution, and for most people, it gets Steam working again without any complicated steps. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam errors and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.